Stop! You are making these English mistakes every day, and people are silently judging you. You understand English, but still make small mistakes while speaking. That's why your confidence goes down. But today, I will fix these mistakes forever. Hello, future learner. Welcome back to Nigam English Academy. This is day 24 of our Think in English 30 Days Challenge. Today's topic is very important. 5 common English mistakes beginners make and how to fix them easily. Today I am told you. Don't just watch. Speak with me. Mistakes number 1. Did versus made. I did a mistake. This is wrong. Correct is I made a mistake. Why? Do is used for action. Make is used for creating something. Mistakes plus something you create. More examples. I did homework mistakes. This is wrong. I made a mistake in homework. That is correct. I did a big mistakes. This is not correct. Correct sentence is I made a big mistakes. Speak with me. I made a mistakes. I made a big mistakes. Mistakes number 2. Everybody do, but you can't do. Okay? Because I'm telling you the right way. I am agree. I am agree. This is not correct. Correct sentence is I agree. Why? Let me tell you. Agree is already a verb. So, no am is are needed. Think like this. I agree. I accept. I accept. I support. I'm giving you more examples. I'm not agree. This is not correct. Correct sentence is I do not agree. I am totally agree. This is wrong. Correct is I totally agree. Speak with me. I agree with you. I totally agree. Okay, this is good. If you watch my all videos, then you know how to say this. Mistakes number 3. He go, she go. He go to school. This is wrong. Correct sentence is he goes to school. Now explain the rule. With he, she, it, and so. For examples, he plays, she eats, it works. This is correct. She eat food. This is wrong. She eat food. She eat food. This is wrong. She eats food. This is correct sentence. It works fast. This is wrong. It works fast. This is correct sentence. This is biggest common mistakes do beginners. So you don't do that because you watching my video and you can't do these types of mistakes. Speak with me. He goes to school. She eats food. And you subscribe Nigam English Academy. Mistakes number 4. Did plus past form. I didn't went. This is wrong. You say, I didn't go. This is right. Why? Did already so past. So, what will be in base form? Let me show you formula. Did plus V1. This is base form. For examples, I didn't eat. This is wrong. Right way, how to say? I didn't eat. I didn't saw. This is wrong. I didn't see. This is correct. Double past, wrong. So, speak with me. Okay? I didn't go. I didn't go. I didn't eat. I didn't eat. Mistakes number 5. Discuss about. Discuss about this. This is wrong. Everybody say this. If anybody asks anyone, say that discuss about this. But this is wrong. Discuss this. This is right sentence. Why? Discuss already means talk about. So, about extra हो जाता है. For examples, let's discuss about the problem. This is wrong. Let's discuss the problem. This is correct. I'm sorry to say that I'm mistake to pronounce of this word discuss. So ignore it. Let me explain other things. We discussed about it. This is wrong. We discussed it. This is right way to pronunciation. Speak with me. Let's discuss this. We discussed it. I am having 2 brothers. This is wrong. I have 2 brothers. This is right. Have is enough. Am having wrong. In this case, speak with me. I have 2 brothers. Don't say I am having 2 brothers. Okay? Now, repeat fast with me. I made a mistake. I agree with you. He goes to school. I didn't go. Let's discuss this. I have 2 brothers. Again, faster. Do it. Again, fast. Let it fast. Tell me honestly, which mistakes do you make most? Did made. I am agree. He go. Didn't went. Discuss about. Comment number. Today's challenge. Make 3 correct sentences. And comment. I am improving my English. Listen carefully. Mistakes are not bad, but repeating the same mistakes will stop your growth. Now, you know the correct way. Start using it from today. Slowly, your English will become strong. Subscribe to Nigam English Academy and continue this challenge. See you in day 25. Bye bye, future learner.